The Bose QC35 are really good headphones, but the ear pads have a tendency to split or get worn out here. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace them. I got these replacement ear pads on Amazon for £14. They're not official ones, but they've got really good reviews. The original ones cost £30 from Bose, these are only £14, so you can replace these twice for one of those, so I think that's worth doing. And they feel absolutely fine. They come with the covers that you need, R and L. They also come with a tool if you need it for removing or adding the pads, and of course a second ear pad. So the first thing we need to do is remove the old ear pads. That's really just a case of squeezing and pulling, and there's like little tabs all the way around. You'll see them there. There's these little tabs all the way around which the cushion sits underneath. This like edge here sits underneath it. Do the one on the other side, squeeze and pull all the way around, and that comes off. So there's the old ones. Mine are torn here, the leather's worn out, knackered. I'm also going to replace these covers at the same time because they sent new ones, as these are a bit manky. To take these off, you literally just pull them off. They're just stuck on with a sticky plastic. You just literally pull them off. There's one side. There's the other. You can see where the sticky pads were. This is the R, and here's our new R with new sticky pads. Just line it up first. There we go. So what we're going to do, you can see the speakers all exposed there, very nice. So what I'm going to do is peel off the sticky back plastic, leaving a sticky strip, and then be really careful. It might be difficult to record this because I need to be really accurate, but you just need to line it up before you press it down. There we go. And now finally we need to put the new pad on. So you can see all around the outside there's these little teeth. Let me try and get that close up to you. There's these little teeth. And what happens, there's one there, there's one there, there's one there. And what happens, this little edge around here clips underneath them. So what I find the easiest way to do this is to clip the top one under, then the bottom one, and then work your way around with your fingers, or the tool provided, and just clip them in. So I'll do the top first. Literally just put it on and slide it up underneath. It's difficult to see on here, but there's little teeth you're trying to clip over the top of this pad. And you just work your way around, clipping them all in. And that'll hold it in place. So I've got the top and the bottom clip in place, and then I just need to work my way around, clipping them all under. And as you go around, you just pull back and push it under the tabs. There's tabs every 2 centimeters or so. Pull it back and push it under the tab. Pull it back and push it under. There you go. There's another one. You feel a little clipping sound as they clip in. You just need to work your way around. And now for the left hand ear cup. You just take this off, just gently pull it off. Oh, lost it. We take the new one, peel off the 3M strips, and then line it up nicely and press it down. Just like that. And then again with the left hand cup, we're going to work our way around all these clips, clipping it in. Okay, so we've got the top in and the bottom in, and then we're going to go around the side using the tool and just pushing this rim in so it clips onto the clippers. You often find once one clip's in, they all kind of start coming into place. The very last one can be a bit tricky because all the others are in place already. Just to work your way around, and eventually it'll clip in. So there we have it, guys. We've gone from this torn, wearing out, to lovely new ones. And these third-party ones are almost as soft as the Bose ones, and once you've worn them for a little while, you probably won't even notice the difference. As I said before, there's links below to where you can find this kit with the tool and the pads and the covers down below in the description. Please hit like if you found this video useful and subscribe to be notified of my latest videos, and I'll see you in the next one.